see here, but I'm actually standing on the railroad grade. That picture's close to here. It's probably back a little bit further, but it's so growed up. And this is that old railroad grade. But of course a lot of this has grown up over 90 years of non-use. Old Cellar House Foundation. This is down at Skidmore Bottom. Just right at near the mouth of Fuccy Hollow. Trying to recreate that picture there. And notice this foundation down here. Skidmore Bottom. It's on the right fork of Hollow River in what they call the Elk River Management Area, Wildlife Management Area. Can't quite get the photo that I want. But the grade is actually, railroad grade that is over there up against, close to the bank. So all this has grown up over the years, 90 years. So I can't actually get past all these trees to get the right view, but I'm real close to where this picture was at. Where that V is Fuccy Hollow, if you go up in there. Right in the center there, if you go up in there, it's called Fall Run. This is a wet weather pond. Middle of the summer and late fall when it's dry. This is dry. It's only like a foot deep at the deepest spot. Okay, that picture of Willard Hall, according to my great aunt Lola, she said she took that picture from about where the Guardian Post Office removal store would have once stood, which is close to where I'm standing now. And yes, the tracks were on this side of the road, not on the other side. You can see the dip. If you look right above his shoulder there, you'll see that dip of the mountain going back up on the other side. That's right there, that V. That's right in the center of the photo right now. Okay, this photo of local men working on the railroad here, clearing brush and etc. along the track, was taken right along here, according to my great aunt. It's changed because the road's been built up over top the rails.